just a few steps, I can show you how you can freeze your Rust scene using your GB WhatsApp. First thing first, click the GB WhatsApp icon in your gadget. Then click the upper right hand side three dotted icon in the GB WhatsApp. Scroll to where we have settings. Cancel the developers for update first. Get to privacy and security. Come to up to here we have freeze Rust scene. If it is turned off, turn it on. And that is how you activate freeze Rust scene. If we get back, let it get time and come to another WhatsApp which I have registered with different contact and see if we have freeze the Rust scene. So let me search my name, Gakonga. So it shows that the Rust scene was at 5:24 a.m. I can text myself, hi, I am online, but it shows that my Rust scene was at 5:24 a.m. Let me reply. You see it is on 5:28 a.m. and it will continue showing that I was there in 5:20. It is 5:28 and it will show that I was there in 5:24 a.m. That one is Rust scene. It has freezed as Rust scene today at 5:24 a.m. You can look it by just clicking here, and that is how you can easily freeze your Rust scene using GB WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you not miss out any of my future content like this. Thank you.